Move over, Denzel.
What a beautiful thing. Found the love of my dreams. Nothing gon' come in between. No, no, they say the grass is green. Yeah, I know what that means. But sometimes green isn't what it seems.
I got this a while ago, actually. Yeah. I got this. It's a magnetic car holder, but I'll probably use it in my car. I saw people using it when they're doing like cook with me's and stuff. It comes with literally everything you can imagine. I got this off Amazon, the cheapest one, no joke. I wish I was joking, but I'm not. This is my second iPad case, y'all, and I literally be carrying it around like this. Like it's gone. It's dirty. So I just got the cheapest one that I could find because I really don't care about it. I just needed a new look. So I got that. It's Welly. And then the last thing, I just got some basic tees. 2 blacks. I literally got 5 just plain old t-shirts. Like this is as simple as it gets. Yeah, they're simple as it can be. Went to Boot Barn. Got a new cowboy hat. Super cute. I kind of wish it was like here, but it's okay. We're about to get ready for the rodeo. It's only 3 o'clock now, and we're not gonna leave till 5. Y'all, it's a little chilly outside, and it's only supposed to get colder, but I'm gonna just have to be cold because who's finna mess up the outfit? I hope this looks cute. I got this. I literally got all this yesterday. I already showed y'all, but the only thing, I know the pants fit. I'm so excited. I'm trying to see. And here are the pants. My boots are downstairs. Got my hat. I need to get in the shower. Makeup, nails, lashes are the main thing. I need to do my individual lashes. So we need to get it going, all right?
Move over, Denzel.
We've made it to the Cuzzies, and now we're going to do an outfit of the day. How do you feel about the rodeo so far?
I feel honestly amazing. I am so excited to spend family time. We rarely get to see each other because everyone's so busy, which is a good thing. But anyway, XOXO, mwah, got your girl.
Why are you saying watch out? Oh, sorry.
All right, what you said?
Outfit of the day.
Like,
What do you have on, babe?
all right, hat, boot barn,
Right.
shirt, Ross, pants, think Shin, then boot barn with the boons, the Dominican Poppy.
Okay, guys.
This is kind.
Okay, so the top is from Windsor. The skirt is from Windsor. The boots are from my mom's closet. Shout out to her. The hair, beauty supply store.
Hello.
Period. Hat from Boot Barn. Shirt and pants from Ross. Boots are from Cavender. Like, oh my gosh, like a year or two ago. Yes, so excited. Okay, guys, TT is gonna show us her outfit of the day.
No, you're not.
Oh, right.
The top is from Dollar Tree.
Okay.
And the bottom from Dollar Tree.
And
the shoes is from Goodwill. I'm so excited to do this. My boots are from Amazon, and my hair actually is from She's Happy Hair. It's a sew-in. My leave out is out, so that too is for my scalp. And then my dress is actually from my sister. Yay, Soraya. And then what else? My watch. I'm not sure. Bracelets are also from Amazon. My earrings are from Amazon. And then my love is from the good Lord above. Hello. Ha! Amen.
Of the day, I feel official because, you know, winter, my house.
I got a kids meal. I don't know if that was a good idea or a bad idea. This is the burger. I don't know.
Everything else.
Doesn't look too. We'll see. Let me see. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Like 2 days, maybe. Yeah, I did it myself. So
He got corn.
Jigga doesn't even like that. Y'all, we probably should have found somewhere to sit. That's disgusting. No, that's disgusting. This burger, I give it a cool like 6. It's not bad though. I will see y'all when we're at the next stop because that was horrible. Kara tried to look there. She said it's good. Kara likes that type of corn though, so. Y'all, let me tell you the most embarrassing thing in my life.
I'm gonna go to what's it called?
Jigga, can you just wait on us, please? Exactly. Okay. Oh my gosh, I need to know Trey's OOTD. Trey came like a thief in the night, y'all.
What's going on, chat?
Oh, that was fast. Huh? That is good. Good. I think I need some sauce. I'm gonna.
The sauce. They finna get right.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Just that green stuff that Trey said that may be on there.
I'm not going down. I'm gonna get.
I'm not gonna finish this. Okay, let's go back. Let's go, y'all. Oh, let's go. Okay, Asian cowboy. Let me tell y'all. I saw one of my favorite people from high school. I saw one of my favorite friends from high school. And she was like, oh, are you recording? Because you saw my mic. I was like, yes. Girl, phone started tripping, like literally tweaking. I'm like, well, that's not fair. So I got a video of her and on my brother's phone, but it didn't hit. I'm so mad. I hope I can run into her again. I'm hearing Jadesia. But I really don't like seeing people from high school, but it's okay. She was actually like the coolest people ever. Oh, this is like a cool 8. trying something new again. I wanted to try the chicken donut sandwich, but they didn't have any more. Sorry about my lips. I'm gonna put that right here. Hey y'all, editing Jadacia here. For some reason my mic turned off right when I put it on my t-shirt, but I'm just showing you guys me trying a fried Snicker and a fried cookie dough. I'm trying a fried Snicker right here. It actually wasn't bad. I'll never have to get it again. I'll give it like a cool 6, but the fried cookie dough was terrible. It was horrible. It literally just tastes like fried chocolate, so I hated that. But other than that, it was good. So yeah, let's get back into the video.
What are you gonna do when the world's on orbit around you? So what are you gonna do when nobody wants to fool with you? Damn, Jay. Ain't it fun?